All right, y'all, we are back again. Shout out to my people at JD Sports. We have another early look for you guys. This is going to be another Jordan. This one actually drops this Saturday, bro. This is the first Valentine's Day sneaker release from Jordan this year. I don't know if we're going to get another one, but this one does come in extended sizes, man size as well. This one is fire. But before we get off into this content, make sure you guys go ahead and hit the subscribe button for your boy. I would greatly appreciate that. Make sure you tap into JD Sports for exclusive access and stuff like that. I'm telling y'all, by far, it is the easiest way to cop a sneaker.
They fresh out the box, then you gotta keep them clean. There's that knowledge in your walk when you step on the scene. Technology, ain't no apology.
You guys can see right here, we do have this red and white Flight Jordan 4 box. You have size tag right here. This is going to be a women's Air Jordan 4. They do come in extended sizes. Only on the sneakers app that I've seen, bro, to be honest with you. But pale ivory, Sierra red. Go ahead and pause the video if you need to legit check your pair. You got your red spickle spackle. We're gonna go ahead and open these things up, and I'm gonna tell y'all off rip, detail is crazy. So as you guys can see right here, you do have this card that's gonna come in it. It's gonna have like a Jumpman logo with a bunch of lipsticks on there. It's got this card right here that says "With Love, Jordan Team, to and from," so you can kind of like personalize your sneaker. Then you have the paper right here. Gonna flip this back, and these things right here, material wise, I think the retail is $220, but man, I think it's kind of worth it. You're actually getting something that you like. Look at that, bro. Look at the quality on these things. Like, look at the leather quality on these, bruh. Super clean. So you got this hang tag right here. Specialized. It does have a heart with the Jumpman logo. Super clean. Back end, you do have the red Jumpman logo. No Nike branding. Looks like the shape is pretty good. Looks like it's got the new shape on them. You know what I'm saying? Feels good. You got the spickle spackle metallic candy paint red on these things. Look at that, man. Glisten glassing. Super clean. On the bottom, you do have a cell and red Jumpman logo, as you guys can see right there. Toe box quality, man. Look at this. Y'all look at this. Look at that. Look at, boy, let me tell you, buttery. Then right here, you got the Flight Jumpman logo right there on the patch. You can see the leather quality on the tongue as well. And then on the inside of the shoe, it's gonna be the exact same thing as you guys can see. But I do wanna show you some details when it comes to this. So as you guys can see, this is gonna be the sneaker, and behind the tongue, you can see it has some lips right there, man. I don't know, man. I feel like these kind of touches kind of make it to where it's not gonna be a man's release. But regardless, it's not a bad touch. I do feel like I love the details. Super plush tongue, so the quality looks good on that. Insole right here is gonna have some lips on it as well, as you guys can see right there. Like I said, just extremely detailed. Here's the other one. As you guys can see, the quality is real good. This shoe is fire. I feel like they paid attention to detail. Let me know down in the comment section if this is something that y'all gonna be copping for your lady, for yourself, or whatever. Again, man sizes are extended. I only seen it on the sneakers app, but they do release this Saturday. Retail is $220, man. But this would be a dope gift, personalized, something you can personalize and give to somebody that you love for Valentine's Day. But y'all let me know in the comment section, what are your thoughts and opinions about the Air Jordan 4 Valentine PEs? I don't even know if that's the name of them. Special edition, Valentine's, I love you, kisses. I don't know, man. Y'all let me know. I appreciate y'all. Y'all know what I'm saying, man. Rock with you like not what's hype. Remember, everything we talk about, including these shoes, just bake. With me, share my faith. I'm gonna catch y'all next one. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got you, never slack on the fruit for OGs and the youth. You can kick it with us too. Technology.